Let's go back to the year of the Harlem Shake, Flappy Bird, and the moment Google decided that regular silicon wasn't fast enough to harvest your data. In 2013, Google, in a partnership with NASA, launched the Quantum Artificial Intelligence Lab. They bought a machine called the D-Wave 2, a 512-qubit black box that looked less like a server and more like the casket for a Decepticon. They held a press conference, took some photos, and told us it was for science. And then, silence. The project vanished. No white papers, no GitHub repos, no API access. The mainstream narrative, the official story, was that the D-Wave wasn't anything special. That it was just a noisy, expensive heater that couldn't beat a laptop running a Python script. But that's what they want you to think. Because if you look closely at what happened next, a terrifying second theory emerges. They didn't hide it because it failed. They hid it because it worked. Look at this. This is the von Neumann architecture. It's how your phone works. It's how your laptop works. It processes data sequentially. It follows rules. It's predictable. The D-Wave was quantum annealing.
Quantum annealing is basically a way of using intrinsic effects of quantum physics to help you solve certain types of problems called optimization problems, and also a related problem called probabilistic sampling.
Now ask yourself, what is Google's business model? Is it search? No. Is it email? No. Google's business is predicting human behavior and optimizing ad delivery. In 2013, Google realized they had stumbled upon the Holy Grail, a machine that could crunch the traveling salesman problem of global surveillance. If you have a computer that can fundamentally solve optimization problems faster than the laws of classical physics allow, you don't publish a paper in Nature. You don't let your competitors at Microsoft see it. You take that machine, you lock it in a NASA bunker, and you use it to train the most aggressive, predictive algorithms in human history. Right after the D-Wave went dark, Google's AI capabilities exploded. DeepMind acquisition, 2014. AlphaGo, 2015. The theory is simple. The D-Wave 2 wasn't a general-purpose computer. It was a crystal ball. It was an oracle for pattern recognition. And when you possess an oracle, you don't sell tickets to see it. You build a fortress around it and use it to print money. There's an even darker possibility, which is encryption. The NSA motto is, harvest now, decrypt later. They store your encrypted data waiting for a computer fast enough to crack it. If the D-Wave actually worked, if it could anneal its way through RSA encryption, then Google and NASA didn't just build a fast calculator. They built a skeleton key for the digital world. And you don't tell the locksmith you found a key to every door in the city. You just quietly walk in and make yourself at home. So, did it fail? Maybe. Or maybe the algorithms dictating your life right now, the ones deciding if you get a loan, or what video you watch next, or who you date, maybe they were born in that freezing cold black box in 2013. If you want to help my optimization metrics, go ahead and smash that like button. Not because it brings you joy, but because it feeds the recommendation engine just enough data to keep my hopes up and keeps you from having to confront the void for another few minutes. As always, thanks for watching.
I love Google. My BlackBerry too. Comcast is sweet. Cute kittens are cool.